Greetings our tutor and fellow students. Personal information. My name is Lady Carolina Marquez. I am 36 years old. I am from Pereira. I am living in Santa Rosa de Cabal. And I am studying psychology. My hobby is to exercise. I don't have a favorite TV show. Family information. My mother's name is Sorani Marquez. She is 53 years old. She is a silent woman. She is from Santa Rosa de Cabal. My mother is very sweet and gentle. She is short. She has red hair and black eyes. My brother's name is Luis Londoño. He is 30 years old. He works in a factory. He is from Santa Rosa de Cabal. He is tall and strong and handsome as well. He is blonde and his eyes are hazel. My son is Santiago. He is 11 years old. He is a student. He is from Santa Rosa de Cabal. Santiago is slim, is handsome and sweet. He has a blonde hair and his eyes are hazel.